that our life was there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner wave over the land of the free, the home of the And honestly, just to celebrate, this is my dream since I was a child. To signify my insurance and my friendship. So ladies and gentlemen, this all to me. Bigyan na ako sa ito. Grabe naman yun. Yung mga performance. Parang talo sa talo. Diba? Parang portrait turner na yun sa American.
The Voice.
Yes. Pinakitaan tayo. But before we proceed to our program, I would like to invite a very important person in this event with her genuine heart, her pure heart, and the person behind all this. Without her, we would even have this event successful. Yep, our current president for the Filipino-American Association of the Grandstand. Let's give her a massive round of applause. It's Jennifer Salad.